Happy Friday, this is Javi. I'm taking over for Brenda for today. I'm going to show you how to make a Festoon necklace out of the Noodle tube bead. So I'm going to show you here. I have one I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show you up close. So come on over and I'll show you how you get it done.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Festoon necklace with the Noodle tube bead in silver. First, you will need the silver Noodle tube bead. And this is BD0835. You will need one of these. And I will show you the same style as the gold one, but in silver. So I got this silver mount. This is a laced edge mount in old silver pewter. The number is OS05671. And then I used the Aqua Cat's Eye stone. This is STN 09704. This is very beautiful. I love it. Okay, we're going to move it to the side. First, we will need to start with wire. And this is silver 20 gauge wire, and this is wire WIRE05390. We are going to start by straightening the wire, and then we need to measure and cut. We need 9 inches of wire. I'm going to cut right here. 9 inches of wire, give or take. You can always have more wire. You can always have more wire. So now the wire needs to be straightened again. Don't do that mistake. And then we need to start putting it in the tube. Slowly by bending it, keep bending it until it goes all the way in the tube. Keep bending until the wire comes out the other end. Take it out around there, and then I'm going to fold it over. Now I'm going to use my round nose pliers and make a loop halfway on the pliers and then bend it over. I'm going to trim this little piece off, so you need cutters for that. Then I'm going to flatten it with a flat nose plier. That's the beginning. See if you guys can see that. Next part, you'll need to bend the other side upwards, just like that. And we need to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm sorry, I'm off frame again. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to hold it to show you what I do. I'm just going to start wrapping it around, one wrap around. Oops, sorry, I'm out of frame. I went once around, and now we're going to try to curve it, curve the wire. I'm trying to make it match the other ones. Somewhere around there. Pretty much. Okay, we got the loop. Woohoo! Now we're going to Wrap the middle by starting on the other side. Okay, we are going to do 2 wraps around until it shows up to the front. I'm going to tighten it, but you don't have to. Now we can make the other loop. Try to make the loops the same length if you can. Then at the end, I'm going to show you how to wrap it. So I'm wrapping it right now. And then at the end, we're going to trim it. Trim it in the back and right about there. So make sure it will not snag on anybody's clothing. There it goes. A little bit tighter there. Okay, that's how you make 2 loops on a Noodle 2 bead. I have all the Noodle 2 beads ready to go. I'm going to show you how to make this into a Festoon necklace. Connect all 3 of these together. I have my jump rings, and I'm going to open my jump rings. And I'm going to show you guys I will show you how to connect all these together. Connected that. And I'm going to make sure it connects to the mount as well. Connect that. Oh, and I use these little connectors I really like them. The filigree connectors from the Bisou by 1928, and this is OSO 4214. And I put a little chaton in the middle, a little aqua chaton. I'm going to connect those at the end of the Noodle 2 beads. You guys can use whatever color you want, but I wanted to show you in silver. It looks pretty good. And there goes that one. Squish it down there. There it goes. Then I used these aqua cat's eye beads in 8mm. Oops, I'll move this to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing in this process. So we are going to connect that there. So I use all these little cat eye beads. So I'm going to hang them all on the necklace. And this is BDO 9723. So I'm going to just connect everything really quickly for you guys and see the finished result. You just connect 2 jump rings in the loops. I used another jump ring to connect them together. This is a little tough. You're probably going to have to use another plier to close the jump rings, or the jump ring. Okay, we need to connect one for the mount, and you're probably going to need 2 pliers to connect this jump ring. So this is a little tough. So please use 2 pliers. Sorry if I'm out of frame, guys. I did the same thing for these. I just kind of connected them there. I had to do something like this.
Of course, I had to do something like this. Connect the middle ones.
Oops. I need one more jump ring to connect it in the middle. Oops. Oh, lost it. This might be difficult, but you guys see what I'm doing here. I hope you guys can see the point I'm trying to show you.
There it goes. Okay, let me fix this for you guys because it keeps flopping. And you might need to put 2 jump rings at the over here so it doesn't keep flopping.
Now the only thing that moves is the mount. We can fix that as well by adding another jump ring. Okay, so the necklace is complete now. I will remove these jump rings and I'll show you the finished piece. Nicely, just nothing flipping. Let me take off my jumpy tool. Okay, so now it's not flopping all over the place. Let me zoom out for you. There you go, and here is the gold one that I made as well. Here you guys go. I hope you liked this video. And come and check out bcboutiques.com for all the good stuff that you see right here. So I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.